mystery box unboxing video for you guys. Now, I am pretty sure if you are a Potterhead or if you use social media, you have seen those Harry Potter boxes floating around, and I did pre-order mine a while ago and I finally got it, and I finally got to unbox it for you guys in this video, and I'm really stoked and I really cannot wait for you guys to see what I got. And don't worry, I know you guys are gonna ask, I will be doing a shelf tour sooner or later, but I have a lot of other videos to like cram in. Plus, I told you guys, I mean, if you have been watching my lives, I've been going to so many doctor appointments, so it's like I have a crazy schedule and I really don't have any time for myself, and I'm like, gosh, I have to film a video for you guys. So with all of that said, I do have a lot of other videos coming for you guys, so be patient with me, I will not disappoint. So if you guys want to see what I got in this box, then just keep on watching. Alright my loves, I'm so excited because today I have my Gamestop Harry Potter mystery box unboxing. Yes, I did not mess that up for once, thank God. Now you guys should know how much I love you, seriously, because I'm the most impatient person in the world. And I've been waiting for this box forever. It even came yesterday and I didn't open it because I'm like, I'm gonna wait for you guys. So let's get to it because I am really excited to see what I got. Let's hope I don't cut myself again, because on my live I was unboxing Funkos, my Nightmare Before Christmas Funkos, and I cut myself on my live. So, you know, a typical Sam moment. Okay, really? Let's go. Man, they taped this thing. Alright, there we go. Haha. Oh, ooh. Okay, really? Let's see. I'm even holding the scissors the wrong way. You know what? That's okay. Let's see. My sister and my brother, so they're like, why don't you just open it, you know, and then like you can just show them what you got on camera. I'm like, no, because every time like I wanted to do a, you know, the Funko 5-star mystery unboxing from Barnes & Noble, but that whole thing got messed up and they took too long. So I ended up getting impatient and I ordered them at, well, I didn't order them. I went in at Target and I got them instead. Oh my God. This is bigger than I thought. It looks so big in person. Like even on Instagram, like it didn't look like that big, but I love this box. A lot of people ask me what I like prefer to get, and I really don't care because I love Harry Potter, so like anything. Let's see. The moment of truth. Oh my God. Who did I get? I'm too excited. Shut up. Oh my God. I got the Chase. I see this going on Mercari and stuff for like over 45 bucks. And the box is nice. I mean, I'm not a box collector. Don't kill me, guys. Don't kill me. I do take them out. But I mean, like, the Chase. What even? Okay, let's see. I'm not gonna look at the mystery mini as yet. Oh my God, he's so cute. Harry. Oh my God, these are gonna look so cute on my shelf. There I am. Okay, let's see. Oh my God, I got Boggart Snape. Why is that not focusing? Come on now. This camera's misbehaving. Is it not excited too? It's not excited for me? Alright then. But look at this! Oh my God, so now I just have to get Trelawney. And I have to get the regular Sirius Pop. And I will be a happy camper. It's gonna be a bumpy ride. Okay, I'm weird. But look at this. Oh my God, I'm so excited, guys. Why does this keep going out of focus? What's wrong with it? Look how cute this pen is, guys. I'm gonna put it with my other Funko pens because I think I have like 3 or 4. So now I have 5, and I love this so much. I'm really excited. I had to go show my parents what I got because they wanted to know what was in the box too. So yeah, guys, I also want to include something else in this, you know, this video as I'm at it. So, bam! Look, what just came in the mail today as well. Guys, really? Now it's focusing. Newt and Dumbledore, look how cute this is. And the packaging is just so cute. Guys, even though I don't collect them, like I don't keep them in the box, I do keep my boxes because I'm like, you never know when you gotta like move them around for photo shoots or do anything, you know, in particular, and you don't want them to get ruined. So I do keep the boxes just in case. So I had to share this with you guys. Alright my babies, that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave some comments down below. Also my loves, I am not sure if you guys are aware that I do have a blog, which I did announce a few times, but feel free to check that out and let me know what you guys think of it. I do random writings on there, I do potter posts, fashion posts, all kinds of things. So check that out, and you guys could even follow my blog and stay updated with posts, and just like I said, let me know what you guys think. And until next time, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah.
I found you, girl, I like being around you. Feel like Kanye, I'm bound to. Shawty, if you down, I'm